welcome back. Today we learn lots of beautiful colors. So many colors, unattractive colors with beautiful colors. These are brush pens. Now let us start. It's red, green. This is sea green. Now baby pink, blue. This is white, brown, deep green, and this is pink, black, indigo. This is yellow, sky blue, and last is orange. Now let us start our work. Now today we draw lots of colors. Now we draw shapes. It's square shape. It is a square shape. Now this is heart shape. This is heart. This is circle shape. Triangle. This is star shape. And this is octagon shape. Now let us color. Pink color. We fill the square shape with the color of pink, with the color of pink. Now indigo in heart shape. Indigo in heart shape. Red in circle shape. Pink in octagon shape. Now yellow color in star shape. Blue color in triangle shape. Now learn with me. It's square, heart. This is circle, octagon, star, triangle. And the color is pink, indigo, red, baby pink, yellow and blue. Today we learn shapes and color. And thank you for watching. We meet in next video. Please share, subscribe, like my channel. Bye bye.